Why do you need carotenoids in a supplement? Leading health researcher Dr. Paul Clayton explains.
The carotenoids and the xanthophylls, like beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, have a number of effects in the body. The carotenoids, as a general class, have the ability to force many cancer cell lines to re-express proteins which are involved in cell contact inhibition. And what that means is most cells, if they're well behaved, non-cancerous, respect the presence of others. They don't attempt to grow over them. Cancer cells lose the ability to do that. They become unruly and start to grow over other healthy tissues. And the reason why that happens is that the proteins that each cell expresses, which are involved, they're called connexins. When one meets another, it sends a message back to the cell saying, stop growing, you've reached your limits. Cancer cells lose these, and so when they butt up against another cell, they don't recognize it, and they continue to grow and obliterate it and cause damage in that way, and amongst other ways. The carotenoids and the xanthophylls have the ability to take a cancer cell and force it to start expressing these contact inhibitory points, proteins, again. And when that happens, they start to behave less like cancer cells and more like properly behaved cells. So that's one very interesting property. But they have other functions as well, because they are, amongst other things, they have some antioxidant, some anti-inflammatory capacity, which is particularly important in tissues such as the skin, where if you have more of them in your skin, you're less vulnerable to radiation damage from ultraviolet, but particularly in the macular densa of the eye. And here you're talking about lutein, zeaxanthin, and possibly one or two other minor components, which are involved in absorbing light at the far end of the of the blue range, which is actually very damaging, and they're actually involved in protecting the structure of the cells in that part of the retina against UV-induced damage. So they have these dual roles.
The supplement that Dr. Clayton has designed certainly does combine carotenoids like lutein, zeaxanthin, and lycopene with key nutrients like omega-3 and flavonoids from green tea, grapeseed extract, and curcumin. These are all powerful anti-inflammatories which are known to be really important to your long-term health. It also includes soy isoflavones and optimal levels of vitamins and minerals, and indeed more. But a supplement is just that. It should be a supplement to a basically healthy food diet. And that's why Dr. Clayton has also written a cookbook which emphasizes foods and cooking methods that are really important to your long-term health. NutriShield, the supplement he designed, combines the lessons from the latest medical research with nutrients identified from those societies which have the healthiest and longest lived peoples in them. We encourage you to watch the other videos in this series on how nutrients like omega-3, curcumin, and green tea all importantly contribute to your all-round health defense. So go now to NutriShield.com to see what this supplement can do for you.